A home improvement loan for the home you love. The world is a very dynamic place. Nothing is constant here and everything keeps on changing. So why your house should remain the same? Bringing changes to your house by repairing or remodeling is known as home improvement. Plumbing and electrical work are the most common repair work. House renovation includes a number of things. You may go for painting or wall papering to give a new look to your house. You may want to change the interiors of your house. New furniture can give a new life to your house. Build separate rooms for grown-up children. That's not all. Kitchen redesigning can make your wife happy. Before carrying out home improvement, the first question that comes into your mind is how to finance it. You do not have to bother about it anymore. Banks, building societies and private lenders offer home improvement loans. The loans are tailor-made according to the specific requirements of borrowers. The repayment terms can be adjusted as per your affordability. If you cannot afford to pay a hefty sum every month, then you can spread the loan repayment over a longer time frame so that your monthly installments become small in amount. The rate of interest on home improvement loans depends upon a number of factors. The type of loan influences the rate of interest. Secured loans carry lower rate of interest than unsecured loans. Since secured loans are less risky for lenders, they charge low rates of interest on such loans. Another factor that influences the rate of interest is the credit score of the borrower. Borrowers having a good credit rating are charged lower interest rates than those with a poor credit history. You can take out a personal loan to undertake home improvement. Personal loans are usually unsecured. It is very easy to obtain a personal loan. The rise in demand for personal loans has given a good business opportunity to lenders. Therefore, lenders are always ready to offer personal loans. If you are a homeowner, you may use your house to get a homeowner loan. A homeowner loan can also be used for home improvement.